Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Kraken Kid from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a curve across for the bottom of the hat. Then let's bring it down on both sides. And a curve across for the chin. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now let's hop underneath and draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top here and let's draw 2 points. And 1 more on each side. And then underneath the teeth here, let's draw the hair. Let's draw a curve down and up on each side like this. And then let's curve it down and out. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's continue drawing the hat. On each side, let's continue it by curving it down. Now let's hop on top here and let's draw another curve down on each side. And then at the bottom, let's draw a line out on each side like this. And a V-shaped point underneath. And now let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curve across. Now inside this top section, let's draw 2 circles. And another one inside. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Now to continue the hat, let's draw 2 curves up, meeting at a point. Now on top, let's draw a small curve and a bump up on each side. Now let's curve it down. And 1 more bump up and back in to finish off the hat. Now that we're done the hat, let's move down and let's draw the body. On each side of the head, let's draw a small line out. And then bring it down for the sides of the body. Now let's close off the bottom with a line across. Now we're going to hop inside, and for the top of the shirt, let's draw 2 lines down. And a line across. And that's it for the torso. Next on top, let's draw a curve up on each side for the back of the hair. Now on each side, let's draw a line out from the shoulders Then let's bring it down. And then back in at the bottom. Now inside each of the arms, let's draw a line across at the top for the sleeves. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 long lines down. And then a line across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a line down in the center. And then one more line across at the bottom. And that's it for the Kraken Kid. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!